Regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps. Regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps is one of the most rewarding ways to create a sustainable, low-cost garden. With minimal effort, you can turn leftover vegetable parts into new plants, reduce food waste, and enjoy fresh produce year-round. This video will guide you through the process of identifying suitable vegetables, regrowing methods, and tips to ensure healthy growth from scraps. The first step is selecting vegetables that can regrow successfully. Many common kitchen vegetables and herbs are ideal for regrowing, including green onions, lettuce, celery, bok choy, leeks, garlic, carrots, ginger, and herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley. These plants can regrow from roots, stems, or leaves, making them perfect for kitchen gardening. Some vegetables, such as tomatoes or peppers, require seeds to regenerate, so not all scraps are suitable for this method. Green onions are one of the easiest vegetables to regrow. Cut the green stems as usual, leaving at least an inch of the white root end intact. Place the root section in a small glass of water, ensuring the roots are submerged but the leaves are above water. Set the glass on a sunny windowsill. Within a few days, you will notice new green shoots emerging. Change the water every 2 to 3 days to prevent stagnation and bacterial growth. After 1 to 2 weeks, the green onions can be harvested again. This method is continuous, allowing multiple harvests from the same plant base. Lettuce and bok choy can also be regrown from their bases. Save the bottom portion of the head after cutting leaves for a meal. Place the base in a shallow dish of water with the cut side up. Position it in a sunny area and change the water regularly. New leaves will begin to sprout within a week. After roots form, transfer the plant to soil in a pot or garden bed. Harvest leaves as needed, and the plant will continue producing, providing a renewable source of fresh greens. Celery, similar to lettuce, regrows from its base. Trim the stalks for cooking and save the lower part of the plant. Place it in a shallow dish of water, keeping the cut ends submerged. As with lettuce, roots and new shoots will develop over the following week. When roots are well established, plant the celery base in soil. Regular watering and sufficient sunlight will allow it to grow taller, eventually producing stalks suitable for harvest. Carrots, while technically biennial plants, can regrow green tops that are edible. Cut the carrot, leaving about an inch of root attached. Place the top section in a shallow container of water with the cut end facing down. Within a week, new green foliage will appear. These leaves can be used in salads, soups, or as garnish. Although carrots themselves will not regrow fully from the top, this method maximizes use of the vegetable and adds fresh flavor to meals. Garlic can be grown from cloves or the roots of leftover bulbs. Separate a garlic bulb into individual cloves, leaving the papery skin intact. Plant each clove in soil with the pointed end facing upward and the root end downward. Keep the soil moist and provide sunlight. Over several weeks, green shoots will emerge, and the garlic plant will continue to grow. Eventually, this method produces both fresh green garlic shoots and mature bulbs, creating a cycle of continuous harvest. Ginger and turmeric are tropical plants that regenerate easily from rhizomes. Save a small section of ginger root with visible buds, often called eyes. Plant the rhizome in a container with soil, covering it lightly. Keep the soil moist and place it in indirect sunlight. New shoots will emerge over the next few weeks. This method allows home gardeners to enjoy fresh ginger or turmeric without purchasing new roots, providing both culinary and medicinal benefits. Herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley regrow efficiently from cuttings. Take a healthy stem, trim just below a leaf node, and place it in a glass of water. Ensure leaves do not touch the water to prevent rot. Within a week, roots will form, and new leaves will begin to develop. Once the roots are strong, transfer the cutting to a pot with soil. These herbs can be continually harvested, ensuring fresh seasonings are always available. Maintaining healthy growth requires attention to water, light, and nutrient needs. While many scraps will initially grow in water, transferring plants to soil is often necessary for long-term development. Use well-draining potting soil, ensure adequate sunlight, and water consistently to encourage root and shoot development. Fertilize lightly with organic liquid fertilizer if needed. Regular monitoring prevents disease, such as mold or rot, and promotes vigorous growth. One of the advantages of regrowing vegetables is that it is environmentally friendly. Reducing food waste by reusing scraps conserves resources and contributes to sustainable living. Additionally, regrowing vegetables can teach children about plant growth, responsibility, and the value of fresh produce. It also allows gardeners to experiment with propagation techniques, container gardening, and indoor plant care. Timing is also important for regrowing vegetables. While most kitchen scraps can start growing at any time indoors, transferring them outside should coincide with suitable weather conditions. Frost-sensitive plants such as basil or ginger should remain indoors during cold months. Perennials or hardy vegetables like green onions or garlic can be gradually acclimated outdoors once the temperature and sunlight are appropriate. Creativity in container choice improves space use and aesthetics. Use shallow dishes, small jars, recycled containers, or pots to regrow vegetables on windowsills or balconies. Ensure proper drainage for plants transferred to soil. Arranging multiple containers in sunny areas optimizes light exposure and encourages even growth. Vertical or tiered arrangements are effective in maximizing limited space. Propagation from kitchen scraps is not only practical but can also save money. Instead of purchasing seeds or seedlings repeatedly, many vegetables can be maintained continuously. By integrating regrown plants with regular gardening practices, you create a self-sustaining system where each meal contributes to the next harvest. This approach increases efficiency and satisfaction in home gardening. To summarize, regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps is a simple, low-cost, and environmentally friendly gardening technique. Start by selecting suitable vegetables, use water propagation or soil planting depending on the plant, provide sunlight and moisture, and transfer to soil for long-term growth. Herbs, leafy greens, green onions, celery, garlic, ginger, and carrots are excellent candidates. With attention and patience, you can enjoy multiple harvests from the same vegetable base, reduce waste, and develop a productive, sustainable garden. This method demonstrates that gardening can start directly from the kitchen, making fresh produce accessible year-round. Whether for small indoor gardens or balcony setups, regrowing vegetables from scraps empowers gardeners to be resourceful, creative, and environmentally conscious. It is a step towards self-sufficiency while enjoying the satisfaction of watching plants flourish from what would otherwise be discarded.